Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can optimize, compress and enable lazy load in your WordPress website image. So for that we are gonna install a plugin which is called Smush. So first we are going to our WordPress dashboard and here hover on plugins and click on add new plugins. And here search for Smush. So click on install button. This plugin will optimize your all image and enable lazy load, and this plugin have lot of feature like WebP conversion, image resizing and lot more things. Now click on activate. Okay, the plugin is installed and activated. Now on the left panel here you can see Smush and click on dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard and currently 0% optimized. So now click begin setup and select it automatically optimize new upload. Click on that. Now click on next. Click enable super smush. This will optimize your image 2x more than regular. Click on next. Now stripe my image metadata. Okay, next. Enable lazy loading. This will help you to optimize your website speed also. Click finish setup and wizard. Okay, now it's optimizing. Okay, currently we have 4 images in our site. So click on bulk smash. So our site all image optimized. So now let's see our site. So this is the optimized version. We have only 4 images. So this is how you can optimize your website image and compress all of image. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.